Vedant, a lot of people are in hospital in fairly poor condition. Are several of these people critical? Is there a real worry that this loss of life may actually go up in terms of numbers?
Well, Vishnu, I come to you from outside the mortuary here at the district hospital of Hathras, where most of the bodies were referred to, from, of course, a trauma center very close to this particular place, where all the bodies were shifted earlier immediately after the incident. And here, of course, people desperately waiting to identify bodies. Now, remember, there are 7 dead bodies that have been brought just a couple of minutes back here to the mortuary at the district hospital in Hathras, and people, relatives who are still looking for their family members, waiting desperately to identify their bodies. Sir, आप लोग कितनी देर से यहाँ पर इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
हो गए सारे 2-2.5 घंटे।
2-2.5 घंटे हो गए। अभी यहाँ पर पोस्टमार्टम चल रहा है काफ़ी बॉडीज़ का, 7 और बॉडीज़ आई हैं यहाँ पर, डेड बॉडीज़। कितना मुश्किल है ये वक्त आप लोगों के लिए कि पता ही नहीं है कि आपके जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, रिलेटिव्स, वो गए कहाँ?
अभी साहब कोई कागज़ वगैरह नहीं आए, पुलिस प्रशासन की कमी है थोड़ा सा। अभी कागज़ आ जाएंगे तो उसके बाद पोस्टमार्टम होगा, रास्ते में चल रहे हैं सर।
कागज़ का इंतजार कर रहे हैं आप, डॉक्यूमेंट्स का। आप लोग वहाँ पर थे घटना स्थल पर जब ये हुआ?
तो रिश्तेदार हैं।
तो आप लोगों को कैसे पता चला कि
फ़ोन से मालूम पड़ा कि घटना हो गई? हमारे पास 4-4:30 बजे करीब फ़ोन गया था।
हाँ।
कैसे ऐसे डेथ हो गई, आप आ जाओ।
हाँ।
फिर हम आए, पहुँचे वहाँ घर पर।
आपके कौन है जो वहाँ पर मौजूद थे?
हमारे साड़ू का लड़का है।
अच्छा, आपके भी परिवारजन यहाँ पर मौजूद है?
जी, हमारा भांजे है, हमारे भांजे।
बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए। So of course, people here telling us that they're still waiting for documents to arrive so that they can actually identify, the dead bodies that have been brought here at the mortuary at the district hospital in Hathras. Remember, this is really the epicenter right now, Vishnu, so to speak, because all the bodies have been shifted. What I'm being told by the hospital administration is that there are close to 25 people who are still critical, who are battling for life here at the district hospital in Hathras. In fact, we've been reporting since morning as to how the death toll may rise further. It was 116 in the morning and now it's risen to 121. It may go up even further because remember, there are several people who were referred to this hospital just a couple of hours back. They could be declared brought dead as well. So those are the kind of fears and anxiety that we see here at the district hospital. In fact, just a couple of more points, Vishnu. I was reporting from the Stampede site in the morning and where the investigation actually stands. What I'm being told by sources within the Chief Minister's office in Uttar Pradesh is that the 2-member panel, the probe panel that has been formed by the Chief Minister, which is headed by a senior official from Agra, will submit its preliminary report to the UP government by tonight. That's going to be important because remember, there are multiple questions being raised as far as the administrative lapses are concerned, at the venue, including the fact that there was no contingency plan, there was no first aid available, there were no ambulances, and of course, the crowds that actually turned up for this event were way beyond the permissible limit. So all these aspects are being probed. In fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was present there at the Stampede spot when I was there. Take a look at this report from earlier today. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has arrived at the Stampede spot here after visiting the family members and victims of the tragedy at the Hathras District Hospital. And there you can see the Chief Minister along with top officials of the district administration as well as the forensic team. He's inspecting the entire satsang venue. Multiple lapses have now come to light as well as far as the venue is concerned, whether it was the laxity of the organizers or whether it was, the state administration being underprepared for the entire situation. There you can see Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on our frame. He will be inspecting the entire area. In fact, he's now going to inspect that particular ditch where more than 200 people in fact fell and they trampled the people who were bowing down, wanting to collect the dust of the self-styled Godman's tire trail. And here you can see Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath along with top officials of the district administration taking stock of the situation. He was at the Hathras District Hospital earlier and he has arrived here now. Remember, a high-level probe panel has also been formed, which will be headed by a top official, a top police official from Agra. And that panel, of course, will submit its report to the UP government in the next 24 hours, is what we're being told. The SDM has submitted a key report to the district magistrate as well, pointing to various lapses. In fact, if Pavan can pan and show you this particular this farmland, which has become a swamp, almost like a ditch, where people, the bodies after bodies sort of piled atop each other. Because of the stampede, but here you can see Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath here, along with top officials, inspecting the spot. He is expected to speak to the media as well.